I can't believe you'd betray me like that after everything we went through.
You don't understand. It wasn't just about you. I was happy once.
Happy? With her? I saw the texts, the photos. Enough of your excuses.
I never meant for it to go this far. You pushed me away.
Pushed you away? You cheated first and now you want sympathy?
Let me make it up to you. I'll prove my love.
You think a few sweet words fix this? I'm not that easy.
What if I showed you what she said? You'd see it wasn't real.
And why should I trust you now? You've already broken my heart.
I was desperate, eh? You have no idea what I went through.
Desperate enough to destroy everything we built? That's pathetic.
I'm begging you to hear me out before you end this.
End it? You did that for me when you decided to cheat.
I'll show you how much I care. Just give me a chance.
A chance? You mean so you can betray me again? No thanks.
I can make it right. You just need to trust me one last time.
Trust? That word means nothing to me right now. You're a stranger.
I'm still the same person. I just made a terrible mistake.
Alright guys, the video you just watched was made with this platform, and I'm going to show you how to create such kind of videos using this platform called ShortAI. This platform allows you to create different kinds of videos ranging from Reddit videos, fake messages, different kinds of viral videos, all with AI. You don't need to know or have knowledge of video editing before you can do this. You can create this video just with simple prompts that this platform is going to give you. So let's get started. You just have to create an account first. I already have an account, so I will just go ahead and log in to my account. All right, these are the different things you can do with this platform. You can even schedule posts on your social media pages. This is fake test. Different forms of videos that you can create with this platform. You can create videos such as this, and then fake messages, fake text. You can create stories using this platform too. And these platforms are really going viral on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. And all these kinds of videos, these are the kind of videos that you can create. Right, let's proceed to creating this one of these videos so that you know how it works. I love going with fake text because it's going viral, and then using the viral script that is going to generate for us. So just go ahead and use AI script. Okay, so usually I like making videos on revenge cheating because it's actually engaging and keeps people entertained. Okay, so just go ahead and put in the prompt. You can use ChatGPT to generate the prompt and then paste it here, or you can ask it to generate for you, as I have done. So without wasting our time, it's going to generate the script for us. Okay, so this way it has generated the script for us. If you look at this side, you see it looks just like a WhatsApp message. And just go ahead and change the name that I want. Your one is going to appear as ShortAI. I've already used this platform, so mine was on Eve, so I just needed to change the name, and then you change the image that appears so that it will appear more real. Okay, once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is just to click next and proceed. Okay, so after proceeding, next thing to do is to choose your background. This background is where the text is going to appear on. Alright, this platform allows you to choose different forms of background styles. Okay, these background styles are available on this platform. You don't need to buy them again, you don't need to download them again, they are already available for you to use there. So just go ahead and choose anyone. So once you've done that, click next, and then click the message style that you want. I prefer using this one. I just click on next. So next thing for you to do is to choose your voice. Okay, first, the left hand side usually the female, depending on the scripts that you are using. You have to play the voices to know the voice that you are choosing. Okay,
Always be a first-rate version of yourself and not a second-rate version of someone else.
choose any voice that you want. I prefer using this Ivy voice. Okay, you can choose any other kind of voice and then different languages too. So next, the right side, I just need to choose the male voice. I prefer using this voice, Timmy, because it sounds so funny and real. Others are also real, but you can decide by yourself to choose any voice that suits the script or video that you are generating. So next is to click generate video and then wait for it to do the magic. So it's generating the video already for us. So just wait for a few minutes or few seconds before it is done generating the video. And once it's done, you can click on download and download your video. Okay, it is generating already. Alright, our video is done generating.
I can't
Our video
believe
is done generating.
after everything we've been through, how could you do this?
It was a mistake.
Alright, so just go ahead and click on download, or you go ahead and click on
All
post
this a mistake?
video.
You knew exactly
Okay,
what you were doing.
so like this, you'll be able to post the video directly on your YouTube once your YouTube is
This
connected.
isn't about us.
Or you can download it and go ahead and post it yourself. So that is the kind of video you can generate with this platform.
Explain what?
No extra hassles, just go ahead and generate your video via a single line of prompt and you are done. You have your viral videos.